So in this video I will show you how I designed a toothbrush holder for Oral-B toothbrush heads that will catch the drips so that it doesn't ruin the silicone edge at the tiles below. You'll see the general design in Fusion 360. This is not a full tutorial of Fusion 360, and then the slicer settings I used. I'll also show you the final product attached to our bathroom mirror, and I'll make the design files available free of charge. And as always, I like to start off with an approximation of the object I'm trying to make a mount for. So the first thing I added was a centre axis so that I can lay out the various planes of the holder. Then we want the toothbrush to rest on a ledge, so that's what this plane here is. And if we hide the toothbrush for the moment, so here we've drawn the shape of a holder and the toothbrush just sits into that mount. So when the toothbrush is placed in the mount, then you're going to have some water dripping. So we want something to catch that, and that's what that bottom plane is where we're going to catch the drips. So now we do the rough outline of a shape of the base, and then we can extrude that. So now we've got the extruded sides and an extruded base, and now we have an extrusion for the neck. So next we want to make the internal lines here smooth rather than a sharp corner so it's easier to clean. So we can put a fillet on those edges there and on the base on the inside. And we just round over, fillet on the rear edges. So the next thing we want to do is to put a plane at the top of this body so we can do a loft from this profile down to this profile. So now we see the sketch here has also got a line drawn down here, and that's the shape that the loft's going to follow. So this will be the guide rail for that. And then when we do that loft, we see that both the back and the front follow that same profile. So the next part of the design, if we look from the side and we draw a sketch. So now we can see the path that we're going to use for the cutout, and that'll make it easier to put the toothbrush in and out. So we extrude that to cut that away, and we want to make the neck of the holder slope downwards. So we just extrude that away. It means it will tend to move towards the back rather than falling off the front. So then we can just round over these edges, and then we can create a chamfer on the base to make that smoother. So now we need some way to mount this, and we draw a sketch on the rear of that, and the idea is what we're going to do is extrude that out and have space for a Velcro strip to go in there. We extrude one way here to attach to the body, and then we extrude out. That leaves a space for a sticky Velcro strip to go into that channel. Then we just want to chamfer these edges so they're not quite so sharp, and then we can see what the model looks like now. So if we open up this project in Bambu Studio, we can see that the brush holder has 10% infill for the bottom of it, and you don't need any infill above that. So on the rest of the model, then just zero infill. So we're just printing this one out at a 0.28mm layer height. Doesn't really matter which filament you use, PLA, PETG, all fine. And this model doesn't need any support. Now if we look at how that slices, the cost of this model, 30 Australian cents. We can see here we've got variable layer height, so you get a smoother edge here and faster printing elsewhere. And then we can just see what that looks like. To attach the toothbrush holder to the wall, I use these Permastick medium picture strips. These particular ones are 16mm wide by 47mm long. The toothbrush holder accommodates up to 17.3mm strip width and 56.7mm strips length. It must have a minimum thickness of 3mm. I went through several iterative designs. This first one wasn't tall enough, and the toothbrush would sit in the water that pooled at the bottom. This was the second iteration. It was easier to put the toothbrush into the holder, and I tried out different widths and lengths of the drip tray at the bottom to make sure that none of the drips would go over the edge of the holder. The final iteration of the toothbrush holder was one with a removable tray so that it made it easier to clean the tray. And you can also print out different coloured holders or different coloured trays for family member identification. Cheerio.